Following the second lockdown, economic growth has been revised downwards from 4.5% to 3.5%. Unless something unexpectedly good happens, Uganda is projected to return to the 7% growth levels in the 2024-2025 financial year, which is 3 years away.
Where we still have a challenge is on the service sector. Service takes about 43% of GDP. The service sector, there are some sectors that are really will remain subdued for many, for probably more than 2 or 3 years, including education, hotel industry, all the hospitality industry. Those will remain affected. But there are some activities in the trade that, for example, in services like trade, we believe that with reopening etc., assuming there is no third wave or fourth wave, we believe that those will subsequently recover in the longer horizon, or if not the medium term.
On question raised on the effect of the central bank rate being at the lowest of 6.5% at a time like this, the bank insists its action have some effects on lending rates despite the lockdown.
In 2020, when we are starting with the lockdown, that was around March, we are talking about lending interest rate around 23% weighted average. So moving from 23 to 17, that automatically means, yes, there has been a response, although the response has been very, very gradual. With COVID uncertainty, obviously the risk parameters, the premium put on the risk could be high. And therefore, some cases, we have seen that banks, for example, shy away from lending.
So, you must be really creditworthy to receive a loan from a bank at this time at the existing interest rates. Meanwhile, in as far as money in the pocket is concerned, Ugandans must manage their expectations, even if there is the promise that the economy will still grow at about 3.5%.
If we are talking about economic growth of 3.5%, remember, now if you are really to feel the tangibility of growth, you have to look at what is the average size of the household. So if you get a growth of 3.5%, but at the same time, the people to feed are increasing, automatically you won't feel any benefit within the pocket. You need a growth of 6% plus for the household to feel the impact, since the population or the number of people you are feeding in an average household is not equally increasing more than 3% every year.
In effect, if the economic growth of 3.5% is considered this financial year and the population growth at 3.6%, then the economy is in fact not growing but contracting by minus 0.1%. So for households and businesses, tighten your belts. Ismail Musa, Ladu, NTV Business.